Welcome to the Welding Simulation with SYSWELD, a comprehensive course designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills to master welding simulation using SYSWELD software. Whether you are an engineer, a welding professional, or a student eager to delve into the world of welding technology, this course is tailored to meet your needs. In this course, you will embark on a journey through the fundamental and advanced aspects of welding simulation. At the beginning of each course, you're going to learn about the welding process and the application and the significance of the different welding joints and configuration. Then you're going to learn about SYSWELD software. In other words, familiarize yourself with SYSWELD interface and essential tools. Learn how to navigate the software efficiently to set up and run simulation. Then you're going to learn about manual metal arc welding, dive into the theory and aspects of MMAW, conduct 2D MMAW simulation including geometry setup, welding parameter selection, and result analysis. Then you're going to do the same thing in a 3D model. Following that, we're going to talk about residual stress in welding, delve into the theory of residual stress and its effects on welded joints, learn how to analyze and mitigate these results using SYSWELD simulation. And after that, you're going to learn about resistance spot welding, understand the principles of resistance spot welding or RSW, learn to simulate the process from geometric creation to parameter setting, and evaluate the results for quality assurance. So join us on this exciting journey to master welding simulation with SYSWELD. By the end of this course, you'll equipped with the knowledge and skills to perform accurate and efficient welding simulation, enhancing your capabilities and career specs. Enroll now and take the first step toward becoming a welding simulation expert.